What the fuck am I thinking? Ah!
Hi.
So, the hurricane's gonna hit pretty soon.
Yes.
Well,
This is what I'm surviving on. Surviving off of granola bars and Reese's. So, we're at the beach right here. And it's like about maybe 1 o'clock.
Hurricane.
I brought a bully along for the ride. He's never really been out here like this, so it's a first for him. He's like, what the hell is going on? Hey! So, you can see there's a couple people over here. They're just chilling out. Bully, come on!
Is staying back too for the hurricane, and he doesn't want his van to get messed up, because you know, if water hits an engine, the engine messes up. So this is what he does. Nothing started yet. It's just raining, that's it. But the wind, I mean, you can see it start to pick up. It's not really all that strong. It's 1 in the morning. And hurricane started. It's crazy outside. You should stay away from windows. I'm gonna see if you can see outside on this. Hear that? That's the hurricane trying to fuck us up. And you already see the water coming up. It's already flooded over here. In the morning I'll update you. But I just I go to look at the fucking window. Holy shit. Who wants to go first? Shit. I got a pool in the front yard. Alright, so I showed you the front yard, and here goes the backyard. Bloody. Look at all this shit. And normally, and right now, that grass is actually pretty high because my landlord hasn't cut it. Look at this shit. This shit is just moving. Fucking wind everywhere. So it's like around 2 o'clock. The water has been going down since earlier. I mean, it's still flooded and stuff, but the water's gone down. Earlier, that whole thing back there, whole thing was flooded. Now the water just reached up to here. My dog has to use the bathroom, but he's scared of water. Yeah.